my mind just melts away. Once I say I can't be saved, no more change. I dodge the grave almost every day. One single life needs not to die for such a cheap price for one last life. God save the child who lives like a whore. I made it through yesterday. Once I say I can't be saved, no more change. I dance so great almost every day. Now my mind is at standstill as I breathe to get away. Twice my feeling was dead still. What can I do to remove it? What can you do to relieve it? As my mind just melts away. One single life needs not to die for such a